Students, I have told you earlier that mathematics is very interesting. Even only if you can find interest in it. You see, we are going to discuss the real number, the history of real number. You know that all of you must be knowing that sex is an instinctive grasp. Sex is an instinctive grasp. But on the other hand, the number system is an intuitive one. It comes out of intuition, human intuition. So, I will tell you the strangest fact that the background of the number system is not historical. Rather, it's biological. You see, a very interesting thing. You have a very careful look at the sketch of the variation of a fetus in mother's womb during her conception. You see, this represents one. The straight line on the forehead implies one. One, you know that one is a special number. It's a special number. It's not a prime number. It's not a compound number. It's a special number because fat of a man is special. You know that fat rules life everywhere in the world, in the phenomenal world. So, it's something special to man. This is fat. One implies fat. The line on the forehead is one. Then you see, this is two. The line of division between brain and the facial form is two. This size is two, you see. This is two. Because it's the line of division between two things, facial form and the brain. Then we come to three. You see the ear. It represents three, isn't it? It's a three. Then you see this is four. Nose. Nose is the four. And this is a five. Mouth is the five. Do you follow? Mouth is the five. It's four. The number is four. The number is three. Because the ear hears first the three types of sounds from nature. Like, for example, the roar of thunder, sea, and the wind. These three types of different sound the human ear hears for the first time. And its for nose is for because it supports the four auricles and the ventricles in heart, the nose. And this is five, mouth is five because it's the most selfish sense organ amongst all. Mouth is the most selfish sense organ, isn't it? It's the ears, nose, and skin, eyes. Of all the five sense organs, mouth is the most selfish one. So, it's number five. The number of sense organ is five. Then it's six. Here, you see, it's six. This is the perfect number. This makes the face perfect. It brings perfection. It beautifies the face. This is six. And this is seven. This is the throat. This is the throat. And it represents seven. Why? Throat makes a reference. Invariably makes a reference to the seven tunes. Sa, re, ga, ma. Seven tunes. Throat makes a reference to seven tunes. So it's a seven. And what is a special number? What is the definition of a special number? What is the definition of a special number? The special number is one the sum of whose prime factors are equal to the number itself. It's only 6 because the prime factors of 6, the sum of the prime factors of 6 is equal to 6 itself. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. So it's the perfect number. It makes the face perfect. It brings perfection to the face and beautifies the face. And this is 7. It makes a reference to 7 tunes. Saregama Padanisa. You know. So it's 7. This is the throat. And the number 8 is situated inside. That's the lungs. And it remains undefined because it's inside. And the total is here is 8. The total form is 9. And you see the first number is 0. The first number is 0. This represents 0. In the first month, the fetus remains in the form of 0. A ball of blood. You know it. And so it's 0. So 0 to 9. This 0 to 9 is the fundamental number system. It repeats later on. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10, 1, 0, 11, 1, 1, 12, 1, 2, etc. So, the baby after 9 months comes out, creeps out of mother's baby. To write inside in order to repeat the number system. And now you can see, isn't it very interesting? Isn't it? It's very interesting. You know, this is the 0, the form of the fetus in the first month. This is 2 in the second month. This is 3 in the third month. This is 4 in the fourth month. 5 in the fifth month. 6 in the sixth month. 7, seventh month. And 8, eighth month. And 9. It is the first month and 9 during the 10th month. So, the fetus creeps out of mother's belly, mother's womb, to light inside in order to repeat the number system. Of the real number, N set, Z set, Q set, and the R set. The set of natural numbers, the set of N plus Z is equal to N plus negative numbers negative numbers including 0, and Q set Z plus N plus Z plus the fractional numbers, and R set Q set plus the irrational numbers. We'll discuss later. We do not know why I call root 2, root 3, and root 5, root 7 the irrational numbers. I do not know. I do not understand. Because these numbers appear before us in the form of the length of a straight line. You can draw a straight line of length root 2. You can also draw a straight line of length root 5.